Car's a little dirty. Well, a lot dirty. But TSW 22s, H&R Springs, 2017 Q7 4M with the custom cat back. I'm going to show you some of what's going on underneath here. So you can see the wide joint mandrel bent tubing into the tips, removing the suitcase muffler, basically a muffler delete. And now we'll do a little cold start for you. So we'll let it warm up. I actually really liked the interior color. This is why I got this car. It's got the wood, it's nice, and the brown interior. You can hear a little whine. That's from the intake I got, the ORP. Gonna do some driving here, see if we can't show you some of the pops that she likes to do when upshifting. Unfortunately, on downshifts, without tuning the trans, it just does the traditional, so no rev matching to speak of, which takes some of the fun out of driving aggressively, but it does give a nice bit of snap crackle pop when you shift, when you upshift. So let's see what we can do here. Honestly impressive acceleration, APR tune, stage 2, single pulley, ORP intake, and the muffler delete out back, and H&R springs, and the SW22s, which are lighter than the 20s with the run flats. Even though it's a lower profile tire, far better ride quality than the run flats I had on previously. So it's you know, I use this car. I have 3 kiddos, so family hauler, and then I also race spec Miata, so I use it to tow. It's 7,700 pound tow capacity. The increase in torque and power with the tune has been really helpful. I get amazing gas mileage still, even with the tune. About the other day coming home, I got 26 miles to the gallon as an average, which was super impressive. And even with the trailer and the Miata, granted it's a, you know, probably whatever 3,500 to 4,000 pound total weight, but I was getting about 20 miles to the gallon, assuming, you know, it's pretty flat. So you know, really it's been a perfect kind of balance of all things utility that you need your car to do, but it's a little excitement as well. The handle's good, can take it to the snow, can tow my race rig, can haul a bunch of kids. Can't complain, honestly. I've had several sports cars, and you know, they're fun to drive, but now I leave that for the track, and all I'm looking for is a little oomph to make passes when I need to, and to tow, and all around in comfort. And I have to say, this is technology on the Q7 is stacked. The thing does so much stuff. Sensors here, there. Honestly, I have to turn off most of it. You know, it wants to tell you, you know, it wants to guide your steering for you, which ends up kind of, you know, I can see if you're on a long road or a long drive, and weary, that having some assistance is nice, but in general, I'm not a fan of it. You know, the exhaust, as you can hear, no drone. We're doing 65 right now. No drone at all, nice and quiet. And really civil. And then when you get into it, as you heard, it barks and growls. So it's kind of best in both worlds. Classy, sedate, conservative when you need it to be, and full of attitude and bite when you want it. So yeah, you know, there's no aftermarket options really to speak of for exhaust for this thing, which is where I started trying to look for solutions, and really quite pleased with what I did. Just cut out the main muffler, that suitcase muffler in the back there, and
watch out, vehicle on shoulder ahead.
Did pipes that were mandrel bent, and to connect the tailpipes, so the stock OE tailpipe, so it doesn't look, you know, might have been a good time to explore alternatives for tailpipes, but I went with the stock ones, and so it looks clean, looks stock, and just comes to life when you want it to. So anyways, I know a lot of people were asking, they saw some, you know, I had a video and that showed sort of just start up, and people are asking how it sounds on highway, how much drone, and also if the shifts, you know, how much snap, crackle, pop you got with the shifts. I think you heard that there a second ago, and so now you can sort of see what it would do if you were to undertake the same project and do that to your car. I think, you know, I'm about $250 all in for the tubing and the welding in. I had a good shop that did it. Did nice quality work. No issues so far. No leaks. No nothing. No rattles. You save actual weight. There's quite a bit of weight that comes out of, you know, removing that big old muffler suitcase in the back. And so yeah. Hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for the interest. Thanks for all the comments. And sorry it took me so long, as I'm sure many of you can empathize with, having 3 kids and career and other interests like racing. It's sometimes hard to find time, and so appreciate the patience. if you guys want to see anything else or hear anything